Welcome to Ivan's Well Fact, your only one channel. Today I'll be talking about Uber and Lyft and which days are the best days to be driving for both of them in LA County and Orange County. As well, which days have the best rider requests and which days have the lowest. Coming right up. Monday. One of the best days to be driving in is Monday, simply because there is a lot of requests going on. There's a lot of people coming from out of state. There's going to be a lot of requests to go to work. It's the beginning of the week. A lot of people need a lot of rides. So this day is one of the best days, pretty much all day long, to be driving. So you want to really consider to wake up extra early to get on the road and get those nice rides to the airport. Tuesdays, however, doesn't have that many requests throughout the whole day in Orange County. So you might want to avoid Orange County and start going to LA County on Tuesdays, just simply because there's a higher population there and there's a lot of people needing requests. You're not going to find a lot of people there as a Monday, but you will still notice it that you will get more people in LA County than Orange County on a Tuesday. Wednesdays and Thursdays. Great days to be driving, guys. Nothing beats a Monday, but there's still great days to be driving. Not like a Tuesday, it's an improvement. So make sure that you're going to be on the road for these 2 days and you're going to get a lot of money just like Monday. Alright guys, so Friday and Saturday, I always look forward for this day simply because I know everybody getting out of work, they want to go out and have some fun, or people already started their day off on Friday. So everybody, the whole day, there's going to be a lot of requests going on in Orange County and LA County. So you can't go wrong with either county when you're driving. So make sure you get plenty of rest, plenty of water, use the restroom, and go out and make some money. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell to get some notifications when I upload the next video. The next video will be about the best hours to drive in Orange County and LA County. So stay tuned for that. And if any new driver wants to get into Uber and Lyft, I will have some codes down below to earn some great bonuses when you start. Thank you guys. See you next time. Take 4. All right, so Saturday, double take 4. Best days to be driving for Uber and Lyft is going to be Monday to Saturday, with the exception of Sunday, simply because you don't want to stay driving on Sunday. No, I didn't like that one. And I thought I saw you do something with a glitch, camera. So stop it. Stop it. I see you. Don't do that. It's going to be Monday. Monday. So Monday is such a great day to be driving, simply because there's going to be a lot of people driving, not driving, flying. And there's going to be a lot of requests, a lot of chit chat. No, there's no chit chat. Why am I saying chit chat? I don't know why, but we're doing this, right? We're doing this. All right. Tuesdays. So Tuesdays is one of the best days to be driving for Uber and Lyft. It's not one of the best drivers. So what am I saying? Oh, all right. I got this. Tuesdays. No, that was too much power. Tuesdays. Oh, Tuesdays. One of the best, not the best. Get it. Tuesdays. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. Bye.